Hi guys! Yung buhok ko kahit nasa malamig today. Hindi na masyadong madaming ikot-ikot. Pero still shopping day. Meron pa rin kaming papapalitan sa furniture shops. Where are we going? Nakalimutan.
Furniture.
We're going to furniture shop. Electronics.
TV shop.
Ano ba yan? Electronic shop. Kasi babayaran namin yung aming can you see, babe?
Yep, thanks.
Babayaran namin yung aming balance, and then we're going to the bibili kami ng blinds. Titingin pala. Halos kompleto na guys lahat. So yung microwave at saka oven na lang kasi wala pa kaming measurement noon. Kung ano. And yes! Nandito si aking Mr. Love. Sana hindi naman hikain si Mr. nito. May hika. Oh, hi guys, I'm back. So tapos na kami sa Good Guys. Did we play the Good Guys?
Yep.
So guys, tapos na kami sa Good Guys na bayaran namin full na ang aming remaining balance. Tapos pumunta kami ng Freedom, which is yung furniture shop. And then, binigyan kami discount. So, yun. Ngayon pupunta kami Spotlight para sa blinds. And lobat ako. So, balikan ko kayo mamaya kung ano pa ang aming ganap. Saya, diba? Busy kami. Nag-action pera. Hindi kami nag-action pera. Busy sa aming bahay. Dito kami Spotlight, guys. So, naghanap-hanap ng mga gamit. This is exciting. Saya lang, guys. Gusto ko to. Mabigat. Ito siya. Magugustuhan to ni Tony. Mahilig siya sa boat. Lumabas. Ayan yung aming shopping. Shopping na naman kami, guys. Yay. Are you getting the carpet?
Yeah, I'm the car.
Kasi madami kaming dala. So, kanina ito yung car. Yung towels. Gusto ko kasi red and black. So, yun yung, theme ng bathroom namin. So, ito yung binili na. Guys, tingin yung rainbow. So, pauwi na kami. So, andito yung blind sa kanya. So, tapos na guys. Microwave na lang kulang namin. Tapos meron kaming discount na gagamitin ko para sa aking room. Charot, may pa-room. Guys, yung rainbow. Ang clear masyado. Ang ganda. Guys, ububos ito. Ninugasan niya yung aking fish sauce. Yung patis. Kasi nagsaw-saw ako sa patis.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Well, I want them to go back in the drawer. The other one, I have to find it on my phone.
Good morning.
Oh, baby, while I find out, will you run into my bedroom? Hello, everyone. You caught me using her for a runner.
What do you want me to go?
My peppermints are beside the bed.
It's not in here.
No, I want my lime ones. So no, yours aren't here either. Well, I've got to find the Dulux shop. So we'll be back.
We'll be back.
We don't know where we're going.
Look, we don't have a makeup. My face looks okay. Hello guys. So today is end of the month. And tsaka punta kami ng Doctor's Paint Shop. Dentist. Bupa. Bank. May candy na naman ako guys. Kaya
Actually,
yes, mister.
we'll do the paint shop last.
Paint shop last.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because then we don't have to brush or anything.
Yeah, pipili lang kami ng mga paint para sa aming bahay, guys. Pintura para sa aming bahay. Guys, wala akong makeup. Zero makeup po. Magbabalat kasi yung aking lips. Kaya, yan. Okay na yung... Hindi ako nagbe-breakout lately, guys. Pero yung ano ko pa rin, kikitain ko pa rin yung masilaw. Yung aking derma po sa aking face. Kasi matagal siya bago siya nabook. Ilang buwan. Tapos kukuha ka pa ng referral, lahat. Pero i-meet ko pa rin. And kahit na hindi ako nagbe-breakout. July pa naman yun, so matagal pa. It's taking time. Crossing the road. So yun guys, patapos na yung bahay. Nabili na namin halos lahat. So yung dadalhin lang namin sa bagong bahay is yung what do you call that couch, babe?
What do you mean? What do we call it?
Because you call it different.
Oh, she kept calling it some funny name. Yeah.
The maroon.
I don't know. It's an L-shaped. What did she call it?
No, the one at home. Your
Oh, the Chesterfield. So,
Chesterfield.
Yeah.
Yan. Yun lang yung couch na Chesterfield. Yung dadalhin at saka ano pa ba? What else we're bringing from the old house to the new house?
Well, the table, the dining table.
Yung dining table, kasi yung dining table namin malaki. Gusto ni Tony pati yun kasi real wood siya. So yun lang ang aming dadalhin.
Motorbikes and cars.
Motorbikes niya. Okay, yung kanyang mga babies at saka aming mga damit. Yun lang kasi lahat bago. So 2 job done na guys. Yung dentist at saka yung doctor. So now we're going to
Medical. Refund.
We're going to Bupa na guys. Magre-refund ng aming binayaran sa doktor. Sa dentist pala. And punta ng bank. And then punta ng paint shop. Tapos uwi ng bahay kasi may sakit si Bunso. Tumawag. Tatambay. Kawawa na mamisahin. Balikan ko kayo mamaya guys kung ano pa ang aming ganap. Sa Burnside guys. Mag-shopping kami ni Tony.
Oh, I hate visiting this place.
Ayaw niyo pumunta dito guys kasi laging puno tong shopping center na to. So ayaw niyo talaga pumunta dito. Pero dito kasi yung pinakamalapit na Bupa. Ay, punta tayong Mecca guys.
Can't even get in the car. Can't even get across the road.
Punta tayong Mecca guys.
Hi.
I said let's go to the makeup shop guys.
There isn't one here.
Oh, there is a makeup there.
The only shops at Burnside are sports cars, motorbikes, beer, strip clubs, chocolate shop, bookshop, and
Makeup shop.
no, it's closed.
Yung malalaking brand kasi guys nandito lahat. Zara, Oxford. So yung mga malalaking brand nandito, ayan. Tapos may Mecca sila dito guys, may Mecca. Pero hindi Maxima, just Mecca lang.
Is that car gonna move?
Tris pa more malab. Guys, another job done. And meron akong nakita, nagki-crave ako for the last few days nito. Malaki naman pala siya. Para siyang face ko, kalaki. Face ko kalaki. Malaki naman pala siya guys, okay lang. Pero, mahal pa din. Guess how much is this? So guys, hulaan nyo kung magkano tong mangga na to. Hulaan nyo guys. Ito ay ang silaw. Wait lang.
The sun is on your
So guys, hulaan nyo kung magkano yung mangga. May gold kasi siya guys. May gold. You know. Hulaan natin. Sige, hulaan nyo kung magkano mangga ha. $4 ang mangga sa Burnside.
160 pesos.
Ang sukli sa aking ang sukli ng aking $5 ay $1 na lang guys. Dinner na yon. Naloka naman ako sa mangga. Ay, pero gustong gusto ko talaga ng mangga. Nagki-crave ako. So, binili kahit mahal. Ganun ako pagkain guys. Pag pagkain hindi ako natitipid. Ito yung gold ng mangga, kaya siya for $4.
Take your time. Oi, what are you doing?
Gigil! Lagi ko nakurot si Tony sa tenga at sa pet guys. Hindi na siya doon. Kain tayo mangga guys. Dito na kami sa bahay. Guys, mag-sample ng paint dito. So, yung para sa buong bahay. Tsaka, para sa yung bar. Char, may pa bar.
Okay, so he's given us the blue, the lexicon, and white on white. So what I will do, I can paint, I've got 3, so I'll put the white on there, and the blue on there. Then what you can do with these when they're finished, of course, is we can take them to the house. And because they're big enough, you can put one down on the floor and then put your blue on top of it. See what it looks like. And then you can put the other white there and then sit the blue on it like that, you see? And then you'll be able to see the 2 different whites with the blue. In the light that is going to exist in the house, you know, because these are a bit dusty, so I have to...
You want white?
It's not important because it's, if you were, you know, it's not a finish for the wall, so. Okay, I've got a tray, a roller.
Magkakalat
swap
siya
the
guys.
rollers. Which wall will we do first? Which colour? I've got to change the shoes.
Bala ka, hayaan natin siya guys. Tapos ako magkakain mangga. Uy. Lagay lang natin siya dito. Ito na ang ating maharlikang mangga guys. With matching spicy bagoong. Kain. Sarap-sarap laway ako.
White.
So first color guys is white on white. So yun yung pinagpipilian namin for the wall. Lexicon or white on white. Hello, your pants, babe.
Oh, shivers, I didn't get my work pants.
You gonna do it?
Yeah, they're on the chair and the... Oh. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I suppose I should.
It's okay. Just be careful. So, ito yung mga pinagpipili ang kulay ni Tony guys. Tapos yung white niya, yung nihirapan siya kung saan yung gusto niya. Pero yung iba, ito na siya. So, ito yung sa labas ng bahay. Hindi. Ito yung sa wall, sa labas. Tapos, ito yung sa labas ng bahay. Ito sa bar. Ito yung sa loob ng bahay. So, hindi pa alam kung saan dyan sa tatlo. Siya guys, bahala ka. Bye, babe.
See how cruel she is. Nasty.
Kukurutin kita eh. Halika, babe. Hi guys, close ka na tong vlog. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.